I want to introduce you to author Sanjeev Kumar Jain. He has written a path-breaking book on dualism titled Consciousness Explained by Substance Dualism Demonstrate the Existence of the Soul and God. It seems your title, Demonstration of Existence of Soul and God, is inspired by René Descartes' book Meditation.
René Descartes has given the criteria of Cartesian duality of mind and body. He considered mind immaterial, non-extended, and body extended material substance. Both interact and influence each other. He came to conclusion that he is a thinking being. World around him can be doubted because everything around him, even earth, sky, memories, senses, can be doubted. He declared his existence in popular phrase, I think, therefore I am. And the natural corollary of his duality of mind and body led him to declare on his title page of his book that he is going to demonstrate the existence of God. Descartes' soul met with objection as it failed to show how this soul was interacting with the body. This soul did not fit into the known science. I have in my book conceived a scientific soul that is demonstrably interacting with the body, and this soul leads me to God also. Therefore, on the title page itself, I declare demonstrates the existence of soul and God.
What is the soul you are talking about that is interacting?
Basically, I am able to show that this soul is the basis of biology. Biology, or the science of life, cannot be simply reduced to physics and chemistry. We require the soul also to get it going.
Then why consciousness explained? You could have very well said the biology explained.
The definition of life which is accepted by NASA is that it is the self-sustaining network of chemical reactions capable of Darwinian evolution. There is no place of soul for it. Every function of life has been explained mechanically: digestion, circulation, reproduction, and it never needed any concept of divine intervention or soul. So any kind of soul stuff is rejected and denied in life. Since life is just network of chemical reactions, it should have evolved from prebiotic chemical reactions only. Origin of life is considered from prebiotic chemical reactions, and any intervention of God in the creation of life is rejected.
Then what is consciousness?
Consciousness is the phenomenology, the qualities of our sensory experiences, feelings of pain, pleasure, and emotions, sense of agency of self, subjectivity. My experience are known to me and not open to third person. We have a strong sense of free will. I want to raise my hand. I can damn well raise my hand. It is my free will. So the explanatory gap between the brain neuronal firings and neuronal connections and the inner felt states of conscious experiences remain. It is difficult to bridge this gap in subjective experiences and objective underlying brain states. In terms of physicalism, this gap remains unexplained. Reductionist philosophy of Dan Dennett or Francis Crick says that the sensory data in the brain by itself should be aware. This is difficult to accept, that I am nothing more than the conglomeration of neurons, or say pack of neurons. The consciousness still leaves the scope of dualism.
If your theory based on substance dualism is correct, then are there any predictions of your theory?
My theory predicts that life happened only once on Earth. We are alone in the universe. We cannot find any other life anywhere else in the universe or even on Earth.
So far, your theory fits the data. When we talk about soul, we should also talk about afterlife, life after death, or the soul also vanishes on death.
On death, that body remains. This is the same body which we had earlier, but yet something has got lost. Basically, its functioning got stopped due to disease or injury extra, etc. In these situations, soul sinks to a point form and leaves the body and merges with the extended soul of family members. Soul does not have independent existence.
In your book, you have talked about different aspects of consciousness like phenomenology, subjectivity, self, and free will. You have offered possible explanations for origin of life, near death experiences, reincarnation, parapsychology, and interconnectedness. But you have not talked about God, how the God is demonstrated.
My theory explains the aspects of consciousness in dualistic terms. It offers an explanation for origin of life. It offers a possible cause of start of cosmos. Thomas Mann said in his novel that there are three great mysteries: the creation of matter, life, and consciousness. And in my view, anything which might have caused these creations of universe, life, and consciousness is eligible to be referred as God as such. And thus, this book demonstrates God.
Well, this book contains only 213 reading pages. If you are able to show what you are claiming, then I would certainly like to purchase and read it. I would strongly recommend it. Good luck for your book, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Jain.
Thank you very much. Thank you.